Hello and welcome to Dr. Heidery Beauty Channel. We're thrilled to have you with us. In today's video, we're going to delve into a topic that's been making waves in the medical world. We're talking about the recent FDA approval of a groundbreaking new treatment for advanced melanoma. If you're interested in the latest advancements in medicine, or if you or a loved one is battling melanoma, this video is a must-watch. We'll be discussing the science behind this new treatment, how it works, and the challenges and potential it holds for the future. So make sure you stay tuned till the end, because this is a major leap forward in the fight against cancer. Now let's transition into the main topic of our discussion. Let's start with the FDA approval of Lifileucel, so buckle up and let's dive into the details. This revolutionary treatment, called Lifileucel, is derived from something known as tumor-infiltrating lymphocytes, or TILs for short. This approval is a beacon of hope, a significant milestone that comes after over 35 years of relentless research in the field of cancer treatment. The Lifileucel treatment process involves a fascinating sequence of steps. First, TILs are extracted from a patient's tumor. These TILs are then expanded in a lab setting before being reintroduced to the patient alongside a compound known as interleukin-2. Now that we know about the approval, let's understand how Lifileucel works. Lifileucel is a treatment designed around a specific type of immune cell known as tumor-infiltrating lymphocytes, or TILs for short. You see, our bodies naturally fight against cancer through these cells. TILs are essentially the foot soldiers of our immune system, venturing deep into the battleground of the tumor in an attempt to eradicate the cancer cells. The Lifileucel process begins with the extraction of these TILs from a patient's tumor. This procedure, while precise, is carried out with the utmost care to ensure the best possible outcome. Once the TILs are successfully extracted, they are taken to a lab. Here, they're given a sort of supercharge. The TILs are expanded, multiplied many times over in a controlled environment. This process is akin to training an army, preparing the cells for the battle against cancer that lies ahead. Once the TILs are ready, they are then reintroduced into the patient's body, but this time they're not alone. Accompanying them is a substance known as interleukin-2. Think of interleukin-2 as the fuel that powers these supercharged TILs, giving them the energy they need to fight off the cancer cells effectively. Here's where it gets exciting. This process has been observed to encourage response rates in patients who have been resistant to previous therapies. In other words, for those who have tried other treatments with little to no success, Lifileucel offers a beacon of hope. It's like having a new, more powerful weapon in the arsenal against cancer. It's important to note that Lifileucel is not a one-size-fits-all treatment. It's personalized, tailored to each patient's unique situation. This level of customization is what makes the treatment so promising. This innovative approach, personalized to each patient, offers a new hope to those who have run out of treatment options. Lifileucel is not just a treatment, it's a testament to the power of innovation and the unyielding human spirit in the fight against cancer. Now let's transition and look at some patient outcomes and case studies. In the previous scene, we've discussed the process of the Lifileucel treatment. Now let's talk about its real-world impact on patients. Look at some case studies that highlight the efficacy of this groundbreaking therapy. The first case we'll examine is that of a 49-year-old woman diagnosed with advanced melanoma. After several unsuccessful treatments, she was introduced to Lifileucel. The results were remarkable. Just a few months of treatment, her scans showed a significant reduction in tumor size. Her overall health improved dramatically, and she was able to return to her normal life. Another case is of a 57-year-old man, also diagnosed with advanced melanoma. Like the first case, he had tried several treatments without success. Upon receiving Lifileucel therapy, his condition improved significantly. Scans showed no evidence of disease progression for over a year after the treatment. These are just two examples among many. Lifileucel has shown promise in improving the survival rates and quality of life in patients with advanced melanoma. However, it's important to remember that every patient's journey is unique. Works for one person may not work for another. That's why Lifileucel is part of a personalized approach to cancer treatment, tailored to fit each patient's specific needs. It's crucial to have a discussion with your healthcare provider to understand the best treatment options for you. Having seen the impact, let's discuss the challenges and future potential of Lifileucel. If you're finding this content valuable, show your support by hitting the like button and consider subscribing to our channel if you haven't already. Your support keeps us going. While Lifileucel brings hope, it also brings certain challenges. Firstly, the manufacturing process of Lifileucel is complex. It involves extracting tumor-infiltrating lymphocytes, or TILs, from a patient's tumor, expanding them in a lab, and reintroducing them to the patient with the help of interleukin-2. This is a highly specialized procedure that requires not just advanced facilities but also highly trained personnel. It's not something that can be done just anywhere, which leads us to the second challenge: accessibility. Because of the complexity of the treatment, it's currently only available at certain centers. This means that not all patients who could potentially benefit from Lifileucel have access to it. And even if they do, the cost of the treatment might be prohibitive. Lifileucel, like many cutting-edge therapies, comes with a high price tag which could put it out of reach for some patients. But challenges are not roadblocks, they are stepping stones to innovation and improvement. And that's where the future potential of Lifileucel comes in. Despite the challenges we've discussed, there's an undeniable sense of optimism among experts about the role of cellular therapy in cancer treatment. Scientists believe that there are broader applications for TILs beyond melanoma, potentially transforming treatment for common cancers. This marks a significant milestone representing over 35 years of dedicated research in the field of cancer treatment. Yes, there are hurdles to overcome. The high cost needs to be addressed. The manufacturing process needs to be streamlined. Accessibility has to be improved. But these are not insurmountable obstacles. The encouraging response rates observed in patients resistant to previous therapies and the potential for wider application make Lifileucel and similar treatments a beacon of hope in the fight against cancer. With continued research and innovation, Lifileucel and similar treatments have the potential to redefine how we combat advanced melanoma and other cancers. As we wrap up, let's appreciate the progress made with Lifileucel. Before we conclude, let's take a moment to appreciate the progress we've made. Lifileucel, despite its challenges, is a testament to the power of innovation and perseverance. It's a beacon of hope for countless patients battling advanced melanoma and potentially other cancers, but our journey doesn't end here. We will continue to bring you updates on groundbreaking medical advancements like this, so stay tuned and together, let's learn, grow, and hope. Thank you for watching. If you found this video informative, please give it a thumbs up and share it with others who might find it useful. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more updates on medical breakthroughs. Remember, knowledge is power, and together we can make a difference. Until next time, stay informed, stay healthy.